Mwaka wa 2023 nthiguru ya Kenya nionekete kurumira nene mibango ya kumenyera na kinya Kwagirithia Riera. Mwaka uyu ni kwithirite kuna mibango ya kulikithia muoroto ya RAIS RUTO ya kuanda mite bilioni kathumba na cho tariki 13 cia mweri wa 11 ya thurwa ya NTUKU ya kuanda mite nthigurune. Nkurukia bu RAIS RUTO nonekete nindi kwariria muno kwagira korera kirimi chemanyo nkabo nthigurune chiaume nayo Kenya ikiona nindi kanya kakwatogeni thiguru ingi kiri IGOMANO kirera kirabethirite bagieta Africa Climate Summit. Mwandikitwa ndeto nyari kinywa na thingatirite na no ripoti.
Mwaka JUJU Kenya nithiritwe gikinya makinya jama nene kurikithia umenyeri bwa rera. RAIS RUTO akioneka kurumira BUNENE muoroto jwa Kwagirithia Riera na chomba climate change.
We have been having a very big conversation about energy. The reason why we are having a conversation about climate change, and climate change is real. It is damaging countries. We walked out of a drought straight into floods. So climate change is real.
Riambere burukire historia nthiguru ya Kenya ntuku ya Jamhuri kiri kiatho gia kugana bia kuria garuni ya RAIS kanya ni kathuri kageni gutigira ni bakwanda mitiri njira ya kumenyera rera. Bunge mwaka JUJU ni jujurari jwa mbere buru Kenya gukungwira ntuku ya wandi wa miti aria thirikari ya thurire tariki 13 cia mweri jwa 11. RAIS RUTO akioneka gutuma minister bawe kiri kaunti mwanya mwanya.
Nimefika hapa kumwakilisha kutoka pande ile ya executive kuungana nanyi katika shughuli ya kitaifa, shughuli ya muhimu sana ambaye tunaadhimisha siku ya leo, ambaye ya kupanda miti katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Na mimi nikapata bahati nikawa nimepewa kaunti ya Meru, kwa hivyo nitakuwa na nyinyi mpaka tukamilishe miche bilioni 15 katika nchi yetu.
Ikundi biajukiria kanya ntukweje kugwatanira na akari na masukuru kenda gukinyaniria muoroto jwa RAIS.
Kwetana wabo wothe bajukuru ile area yonde kenda tusherekea World Environment Day na muno tukilela environment yentura yetu tuingwa our own village, our own place, kenda tumboteithia antu betu na tumboteithia na ba bombo secure their future in terms of environment.
Mwako JUJU ni kwithirite na IGOMANO BIIRI bila biringithitie rera anene.
Kenya is already a world leader in geothermal energy, which now represents 47% of the total production. But green energy now accounts for 96% of the energy in Kenya, second to none, I think, in Africa.
Kiambere gikimenyekana ta African Climate Summit.
The climate change debate has entered a new era. It is no longer just about tackling an environmental or development problem, but about addressing climate change in the context of justice. We must look at African countries and their high debt distress, contextualizing it with our ability to adapt and mitigate climate change. We must look at the impact of climate change to our economies, which are heavily dependent on climate-sensitive sectors.
Kigomano kebiri gietagwa Kenya Innovation Week hari RAIS RUTO onekere gukatho BUNENE ni ngugi yawe gukonia Kwagirithia Riera.
Mr. President, your leadership in advancing Kenya's ambitious innovation agenda, which is fast turning the wonderful nation into Africa's principal innovation hub, is remarkable. This will be an impact and make an impact in every single sector, not only driving Kenya forward, but placing Kenya at the heart of the efforts to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. Climate change is one example.
Rais Ruto gukagita nethiritwo akiariria mantu jegie Kwagirithia Riera mwaka juju akioneka kurumira bunene utumiri bubwega bwa plastic.
It is now time for investors, multinational corporations, and technology companies to shift strategic investment to reduce their plastic waste footprint. We call upon producers and innovators to rethink plastic products and packaging to reflect the principles of reuse, refill, repair, and repurpose for exploring alternative options such as non-plastic substitutes, alternative plastics, and plastic products that do not have negative environmental, health, and social impacts.
Bomuthia bura bukarika no mwaka juju ni kumira weru ne kwa yendekithia kugaira Riera kigina gia CDF. Mumenyeri wa Riera Mithika Muzalendo akiuga ni thugana riri gakethera riromba riri rigakinyanirwa.
Itubati guciuria kethera obuo wakariko ukethera kwina system unu uri kuka monitor, lakini no kumbike hii tukio target kinya non to CDF mostly yithairere skuru tukya ku target tukaua besa ira siethire yebwitha cia na kethera yonto 4K club ira cia revive ira cia sukuru uti sukuru ite 4K club po wende tukya kuwa yetania na system we skuru eu yabwa muno.
Nchinyari Kinywa, Nteto Cheweru, Makarika 2023.